Hey guys, we are so excited to finally showcase our entire and growing line of high quality, customizable sunglasses that won't break the bank. Today, you'll tour the fused lens frame styles and lens options for everyone, for sport, for fashion, and all for less than 80 bucks a pair. Hey everyone, I'm Eric, and welcome back to the destination on YouTube to stay updated on all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. We're optical sunglasses and lens experts based in sunny Florida and offer a wide selection of high quality, fashionable, and affordable frames. Since we specialize in replacement lenses for existing frames, not everybody knows that we also have a whole line of our own frames. So buckle up and let's go for a ride on the Fused Lenses Frames Express. Plus, you'll get a sneak peek at the newest upcoming frame style. First up is our best-selling style from our collection, the Fused Egmont. It's a square frame that's a mix of clean and rugged, designed to hold up to the toughest treatment and stay in place all day. They're lightweight and they feature a rubberized nose grip that prevents them from slipping down your face, which makes them a great option for avid outdoors people. The Egmont frames come in matte black, glossy black, black tortoise fade, and thin red line, which honors our country's firefighters. Because, fun fact, our first customer was a firefighter, which is why we added this option. Plus, a portion of all of our thin red line sales are donated to the Firefighter Cancer Support Network. So you can support a good cause in style and in place on your face, because no slippage. And yes, I did intend for that to rhyme. Like all of our frames, the Egmont can be customized with over 25 lens options. You can choose between 16 different polarized, mirror, and non-mirrored polarized lens tints. We also offer transition, or photochromic lenses, blue light, clear, night vision, and anti-reflective coatings. And when I say all of our frames, I mean that every single one of the frames that I'll talk about today can be customized with these lens options. Our newest addition to the lens line is our Fuse Amp, which is a line of 4 color-enhancing lens options that make the world around you look more beautiful, vibrant, and is great for activities like golfing, fishing, and being out in nature. Now, they offer more clarity than basic lenses by enhancing contrast and making colors pop. Now, check out our video, Color Enhancing Lenses 101, to learn more about how color-enhancing lenses work, linked in the description below. All of our polarized, mirrored, clear, and tinted sunglasses cost between $44 and $78. That's a great value, especially when you consider that they deliver high quality and durable frames with the greatest options in lenses. Plus, some of our competitor brands sell shades that can run you well over $200. Spoiler, ours are the same quality as theirs. Now to learn more about all of our lens options, check out our video, Fused Lenses Replacement Lens Color Options. And if you didn't know, all of our lens options can easily be customized with your prescription. You can learn more about that in our video, How to Turn Normal Sunglasses into Prescription Sunglasses. All right, on to the next. Now, if you have a large head or a wide face, you know who you are. We offer a bigger version of the Egmont. The Egmont XL is just a bigger version of the standard Egmont, which makes it the perfect choice for anyone who has a wider face or gets headaches from their sunglasses being too tight. Other than the width of lens size, the two models are exactly the same. Or, if you just prefer bigger shades for style reasons, these would be a great choice for you. The XL frames come in 2 of the same colors as the regular Egmont, matte black and tortoise fade. And, like with all of our frames, you can choose any of the same lens options and customizations I talked about before. Within the past year, we released the Fuse Anclote, which is our sportiest frame yet. We specifically designed it for outdoor activities by adding flexible spring hinges that bounce back for a secure fit when you're on the move. The Anclote frames come in thin red line, sand, and matte black. And they also have that same rubberized nose grip as the Egmont and the Egmont XL. And of course, all the same lens options. Now to find out more about our Anclote frames, you can watch our video, Best Sunglasses for the Beach, right after this one. And if you're enjoying this video so far, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Another classic in our line of frames is the Fuse Sanibel, which is an ultra lightweight, flexible, thin wire frame. And since it's an aviator style, it's a great option for watching movies like Top Gun, especially if you add G15 lenses to it. I know the movie theaters are already dark, but still. And the Sanibel comes in black and gold and was truly made for style and practicality, since they won't weigh you down. They're made to move with you. And just think of all the lens options in these always stylish frames. Next is one of our trendiest frame styles called the Talbot, which comes in gold and chrome. It's a super fashion-forward metal frame with standard nose pads. Now, aside from being a great frame for sunglasses, we think they're also a cool match for clear prescription lenses. Or dare I say, mirrored and polarized prescription lenses. I'm telling you, we can do it all at Fuse. Another trendy frame is the Fuse Sunset, which also comes in chrome and gold. It's another lightweight and stylish rounded metal frame that's perfect for, well, watching the sunset. Or selling sunset. I love that show. But seriously, you can also get mirrored lenses to match the sunset that you're watching. Now that's synchronicity. Then there's our Fuse Jupiter frame, which is newer to our line and comes in clear tortoise fade and matte black. And our customers are already raving about it. They're light but sturdy and have a keyhole bridge style. Now a keyhole bridge just means that there's a little more wiggle room in the nose, so that the weight of the sunglasses is distributed more evenly. That makes Jupiter great for people who have wider noses. Well, the frame I mean. Jupiter the planet, not so much. I don't think you could really breathe there no matter how wide your nose is. Now this is our OG Fuse frame, the 3 Rooker. This one also has a keyhole bridge and comes in black, tortoiseshell, and clear. It features a sleek, unisex style that's designed to make everyone look good and hold up to any adventure. Made from lightweight, flexible, and durable material, it's a great option for sunglasses and clear lenses alike. Or heck, go both with photochromic lenses. To learn more about that, watch our video, Photochromic Lenses Explained. Now the Fuse Lidos are the perfect combo of style and function. They come in smoke, gloss black, and gloss tortoise, and are durable and ready for adventures, yet lightweight. I personally think that these frames are also a classic, versatile style. By the way, if at any point you've wondered if these styles will look good on your face, check out our reviews and watch our video on sunglasses for your face shape. A special mention to our newest Fuse Summerland frames. They're a sleek and trendy spin on a classic style, designed to give you those summer vibes all year round. These come in gloss black, matte black, clear gray, and are sure to be your next favorite. Okay, last but not least, the Fuse Anna Maria frame. Now, some of our customers consider it to be one of our most stylish options. What do you think? It's basically a thicker version of the Sunset and has a keyhole bridge like the Jupiter. And the partially metal, extremely thin and lightweight arms make for a great companion when you need to wear them all day long. Plus, they come in stylish tortoiseshell and classic black, and of course, all of our lens options. If you enjoyed the Fuse Lenses Frame Collection Tour, like this video and head to fuselenses.com/YouTube and select your frames and customize your new shades. Aside from just our frames, Fuse offers affordable replacement lenses for all sunglasses, brands, and styles, which you can learn more about in our video, Can You Replace Your Name Brand Sunglass Lenses, linked below. And hint, you can. And thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.